Just wanted to give everybody an update on the fabrics that are available. And some of these are very limited, so don't expect to wait a week to order and then that fabric be gone. So this is a light aqua, some blue, navy, balloon, ballet slippers green, some coral, gray, navy, navy floral, and a few magenta with white dots, and then the red and orange. Harry Potter. Just 3 of these patriotic swirls, bakery, light blue, turtles, sea turtles, pink flamingos on a cream colored background, happy birthday, balloon animals, chickens, and then there's a men's medallion, gray, we have Spider-Man, Tinkerbell, a beautiful paisley. The camo is cut and ready to make. We have some Bugs Bunny Looney Tunes, Choisenet, patriotic stars. I have one of these green and blue, but I have 4 more yards of that coming. Some red with little white squares, the patriotic trucks, kind of an aqua and brown and tan floral. This is some of the little medallions. I can't tell if you can see it or not, but some of them have a metallic print to them. A taupe, beautiful blue, some green, it's kind of a batik type, and this geo triangles is kind of a melon orange and black, really pretty, very soft too, red and white, and it has a little teeny black dot on it. We have some royal blue, and then we have this royal blue, light blue, and white kind of geo pattern. I only have a very few of the Carolina blue and white polka dot. This is an ombre pastel color with paw prints. I have a yellow with white daisies, black centers, beautiful pink floral. This is some of the softest material around I have ever found. Still have some of the beautiful batik that's in a kind of a tie-dye. No 2 masks are going to be the same. Then I have the blue with navy dots, a leaf blue, and this is kind of a purpley blue floral with, if you can see, it has some metallic threading. Then we have Peter Pan that just got cut out, hasn't been serged yet, and more royal blue. So those are the color choices for right now.